Another beautiful day out. You know, Lim Dub. Just look onto her. Just decent. Just a bunch of dicking around today. Got to a little bit of the metals over here that need to get cut up. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. I may pull this old Blonde Pro right here and sant it. I may pull it back in the shop there. Give her the quick how you doing, cause oh, she ain't worth shit. Ain't worth a shit. Still giving me troubles. But yeah, me and the old lady went out yesterday morning and drove around and found some shit, picked up some shit on the side of the road and sell it. As you can tell, I've got a John Deere over there and that Pelon right there that I need to sell. But I figured that John Deere would have already sold by now, but it hadn't, so guess I'm just gonna go fuck myself on that one. Wow. But yeah, so we're going to cut up a little bit of this metal here. Got this old bumper right here. Came off my old lady's Durango before we sold it. I got all types of good shit right there, and then I've been looking online for some totes because we're just starting a full-on scrapping operation here. I mean, I got all the insides and shit. All those come out of TVs. I found this place online that they'll ship you a thing, and they ship it back to them, and then collect all the shit out of it and send you a check. So that's decent. But this little sleeper bed I found here in town the other day. It's got a little hide bed in it, and then this is what we found the other day. It's got a couple of scuffs and shit on it, but ain't nothing a good old white paint can't handle. And then like this top right here is somewhat loose, but this table and these chairs over here, I'm gonna sell them too. But a little bit of shit. And then I got all this stuff, a lot of this stuff, like this ironing boards and this crap and that crap right there. Some lady gave to my wife to try to sell. She was having a garage sale and couldn't sell it. So she gave it to my wife thinking I guess she could sell it. But I mean, it's no good shit. But this right here is pretty cool. I thought this was, so it's like a tripod, right? But it's got a little hookup down here for a fucking sprinkler. Like that's fucking decent peony right there. Like I'll keep shit like that. That's cool, but they've got all different types of shit here. That's pretty much garbage, really. But I clean that shit out. And the bolts and shit like this shit I'll probably keep, but everything else I'm gonna trash. So what are you doing, bud? What are you doing? Huh? since playing. But yeah, we'll get set up here and start cutting in the metal. I gotta get that crap cleaned up, moving tires back in, and I got tires right here. I gotta clean up the yard. And then this little thing right here. So there's a hole in here somewhere. And I ordered a deal on Amazon, patch thing for like $6, 24 patches. That was a pretty good deal. And then I was trying to remember to order something else, and I fucking forgot. And it was material for doing gaskets and stuff, because I've got gaskets and shit right here. But I mean, like, I need something like this, just smaller, to go on this. And so I need a fucking body to put that in. It's like nobody keeps bodies, they just fucking trash them or something. I seen one guy, it was a Craftsman, I think. He wanted $15 for it, and I should have bought it, but I don't think I was here at the time. I think I was at work. So, but I got that motor right there. It's got to go in to a fucking mower, and I've got that one right there. It's got to go into a motor. So, anyways, boys, we're gonna get set up here and start grinding on some metal, trying to get it cut up so I can fit down into that a little bit better. But yeah, so we'll check back here. No, here's bought this yesterday at Harbor Freight, $14. Because my other one, I think I'm missing this part right here or something. I'm missing something, or I'm missing the fucking key or something. So I just went ahead and bought another one, but they got a 10-pack of cutting wheels. I think it was like $7, something. So that was pretty decent, but anyways, boys, let's get set up here, get to cutting.